Morning, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Ma'am, well.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm very
Good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Kavya.
Ma'am, how are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
This is a big question. How am I, right? Isn't it? Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You were
Excuse me.
calling my name.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, may I join again?
You are Anand?
Yes, ma'am.
I will change. Don't worry. Right?
Yes.
Fine. Is everybody fine?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
You people must be relaxed, no? After completion of work submission also. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Feeling completely tension free, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Absolutely.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I can understand. Now, see the same feeling I will have when I will give away all the corrections that have come. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but your work is easy than us.
Are you sure?
Ma'am,
My
just
work is easy then?
ma'am, like
No,
just you have
ma'am.
to check. Ma'am, you have to check and we
Huh?
have to write.
You know, same answer. How many times I have to check? Same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
100 of times.
You that one question multiply by 127, the number of students that are there in each class. Right? So my job is not very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
It seems to be easy, but then it is not.
Ma'am,
Okay.
when we will get the dates?
Yes, beta. Dates of what?
UTs.
15th of July they are starting, beta.
Ma'am, date sheet. Ma'am, कब कौन सा exam
Date
होगा?
sheet you will get.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
date sheet कौन सा कब होगा? तो डेट शीट तो मिल जाएगी. काय परेशान हो? अभी तो टाइम है बच्चा. Faiz, and what is your problem? Faiz? Is Faiz there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Agrim?
Ma'am, do you have any idea UTs online होंगे offline?
Beta, online.
Online.
Yes, they will be online.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Faiz, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. You are now audible.
Fine, fine. Okay. बेटा मुझे एक बात बताइएगा, मैं आपको एक आवाज सुना रही हूँ, आप देखिएगा आवाज आपको आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है, ठीक है?
Okay.
Beta, we are two classes together. We have 10th also. 10th also. Fine. I hope 10th students have joined.
Yes, ma'am.
If I have to share a YouTube video with you people, what do I need to do?
Share screen.
Ma'am, screen share.
Okay.
Share the screen.
Just a second, ना.
मैम जैसे आप PDF शेयर करती थी ना वैसे ही कर लीजिए और YouTube खोल लीजिए.
अच्छा, आप हमें बस 1 मिनट दो.
मैम बैकअप मिल गया आपको?
किस चीज का? वो इंटरनल स्टोरेज वाला स्टोरेज जो आप कह रहे
यस
थे
मैम.
बेटा, वो आप लोगों ने
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
बताया वो हमने करके देखा, उससे कुछ एक चीजें वापस आ पाई हैं. हम पूरा डाटा चेक नहीं कर पाए हैं, है ना?
ओके मैम.
पूरा डाटा चेक नहीं कर पाई हूँ मैं. ये URL कहाँ से मिलेगा हमें इसका? एक मिनट, हाँ बेटा. एक मिनट बस, हाँ. ये तो एरर दिखा रहा है. चलो, लेट इट बी. ये तो अनअवेलेबल बता रहा है. व्यू ऑप्शंस में जा रहे हैं. Just a second now. Okay. चलिए, ये आ गए सारे बच्चे. बेटा, वो जो हम शेयर करना चाह रहे थे वो हो नहीं पा रहा है, ठीक है? So let us do one thing. We have started with a new chapter of history, chapter 4, age of industrialization with 10th A. Right? Now you tell me what would you like to do, a worksheet or Something that commonly could be done with both the classes.
Worksheet.
Worksheet?
Worksheet.
Huh? Or shall I share the flowcharts with you so that you people can make those flowcharts?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
worksheet.
flowchart.
Ma'am,
Huh?
flowchart.
Worksheet.
Worksheet.
Ma'am, flowchart.
धनंजय कह रहे हैं रैपिड फायर फ्लो. अच्छा चलो रैपिड फायर खेले, पर कौन से चैप्टर, कौन से बुक में से खेलें? चैप्टर 2 हिस्ट्री से करें रैपिड फायर.
यस मैम.
चलो
मैम
good.
सिविक्स.
हाँ क्या कह रहे हो
मैम
आप?
सिविक्स.
सिविक्स से करें?
Yes, ma'am. Civics.
नहीं बेटा, हिस्ट्री से करते हैं. उसका कारण ये है ना, ये सिंपी बाहर निकल गई.
मैम आनंद कुमार है शिल्पी.
आई नो,
Ma'am Anand Kumar.
आई नो बेटा, पर वो मीटिंग छूट गई होगी उससे. चलो कोई नहीं. ओके, हिस्ट्री वी आर डूइंग राइट. चैप्टर 2 हिस्ट्री रैपिड फायर. अच्छा, there are some years. I will be telling you the major event of that particular year. You have to tell me the year of. You have to tell me its year, right? Right, class?
Yes ma'am.
Is it fine? Okay. How is Anya Gupta now? She's feeling better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first question is, I will be writing the answers over here, right? The first meeting of the Indian National Congress, which was held in Bombay. Can you mention the year? Swali?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you mention in which year the first meeting of INC was held in Congress, in Bombay?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta.
March 1919.
Huh?
March 1919.
Are you sure? Agrim?
Yes, ma'am.
Agrim?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा INC की फर्स्ट मीटिंग आपकी इस ईयर में हुई थी.
Ma'am, 1920s.
1885.
फर्स्ट
31 December.
जब ये इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था तभी इसकी पहली मीटिंग बॉम्बे में रखी गई थी. दैट वाज इन द ईयर 1885. नेक्स्ट इज, कैन यू टेल मी इन विच ईयर मुस्लिम लीग वाज फॉर्म्ड?
Ma'am, 1906.
1906. Was this Akshat Sharma?
Ma'am, Anya.
Okay, very good. Next is, can you tell me the duration of First World War? You people can tell collectively also. Anybody who knows the
Ma'am,
duration?
from 1914. Ma'am, from 1914 to.
Ma'am 1914 to 1918.
Very good. To 1918. Very good. Can you tell me in which year Mahatma Gandhi organized the Satyagraha movement in Kheda district? Can you tell? In which year Gandhi ji organized the first Satyagraha movement in Kheda district?
Ma'am, 1917.
19,
Yes.
1918.
Ma'am 1917.
17. Very good. Very good, class. Now, can you tell me in which year Gandhi ji organized a Satyagraha movement in Ahmedabad?
1918.
Ma'am, 1918.
Ma'am, 1918.
Very good. Very good. Next is, in which year Rowlatt Act was passed?
Ma'am, 1919.
1919.
19.
Very good. Can you tell me on which date and in which year Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened and where?
13
13
April
April
1919 in
1919
Ma'am, 13
Amritsar.
April.
Okay, 13th April
April 1990.
1919 अमृतसर
1919 और कहाँ पर हुआ था ये?
जलियांवाला बाग
Where is Jallianwala
Jallianwala
Bagh?
Bagh.
Which city? Which
अमृतसर
city?
Ma'am,
Amritsar.
Amritsar.
Sir.
Very good. Next, can you tell me in which year Khilafat Committee was founded in Bombay?
Ma'am, 1919.
Huh?
Ma'am, 1919.
1919. Can you tell the month, Shreya? Can you tell the month? 19 and 19 you said it was formed.
मैम
but
मार्च
Very good.
मार्च
Very good. It was formed in March 1919. Okay. Can you tell in which Congress session and where it was decided to start a non-cooperation movement in support of Khilafat as well as for Swaraj?
मैम
Yes.
December 1920 in नागपुर मैम December 1920 in नागपुर
बेटा हम ये पूछ रहे हैं कि कब ये डिसाइड किया गया था कि एक नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट खिलाफत का मूवमेंट के सपोर्ट में इनिशिएट किया जाएगा?
अच्छा
हाँ,
Ma'am, 1920.
Ma'am, 1920 September.
1920 September.
September.
Or can you name the place?
Ma'am, Calcutta.
Very good, Shreya. Very good. It was Calcutta. Okay. Now, when was non-cooperation movement launched?
मैम लॉन्च का मतलब अडॉप्टेड ही तो होता है मैम
हाँ,
1920.
Ma'am,
मैम मार्च
1920.
1920 in नागपुर
very good.
1920.
1920. Can you tell me the month?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
March.
December.
मैम मार्च
December.
मार्च
December.
Ma'am,
अच्छा हाँ दिसंबर
December and in
नागपुर
Nagpur.
Very good.
Nagpur.
In the Nagpur session, 1920 December, it was finally decided. Very good. Now, coming to the next. In which month and year? In which month and year the non-cooperation movement was called off?
मैम जनवरी 1921
Are you sure?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
1922.
Yes. And the month was?
February
Yes.
तो मैंने स्टार्टिंग
February. And can you tell me one more event that happened in this year 1922 February?
यस मैम चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट
Ma'am, Chori Chor.
नहीं, उसके अलावा?
उसके अलावा
हाँ, 1922 में ही हुआ था वो भी. ये मोतीलाल नेहरू और सीआर दास ने क्या करा था? क्लास?
यस मैम
मोतीलाल नेहरू और
Ma'am,
सीआर दास ने क्या करा था?
मैम आई डोंट नो
Anybody?
Ma'am, Swaraj Party.
Very good. The Swaraj Party was established in the year 1922. Oh, 1922 Swaraj Party established. Right? Okay. Next. Can you tell in which year FICCI was formed, the Federation of the Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries? In which year it was formed? Anybody in the class?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Just that.
In 1927.
Very good, Dhananjay. 1927. FICCI. FICCI was formed. Very good. Can you tell that in which year Simon Commission arrived in India?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1928.
मैम
Very,
1927 से 28 तक.
very good. Very good. Fine. Next is, can you tell that who gave a vague offer of dominion status for India in October 1929?
मैम लॉर्ड इरविन.
Ma'am, Lord
Okay.
Irwin.
It was Lord It was Lord Irwin. Very good. Then, when was Ud Kisan Sabha set up? And it was headed by whom? In which year Ud Kisan Sabha was set up and who headed it?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
1920.
ma'am,
1920?
1920.
No. No.
मैम बाय बाबा रामचंद्र.
Ma'am, it is headed by
Yes.
Baba Ramchandra and Jawaharlal Nehru.
Haan, Baba Ramchandra and Jawaharlal Nehru. It was headed by Jawaharlal Nehru. But in which year?
And in 1921.
नहीं बेटा, सही से देखो. जल्दी बताओ भाई, आद्या.
मैम कैन वी टेक हेल्प ऑफ बुक.
ले लो. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Ma'am, 1920 October.
नहीं भाई.
Ma'am, 1931.
1931. नहीं नहीं.
मैम 1920 in June.
Is it written in the book?
मैम मेरी बुक में तो लिखा है.
क्या लिखा है?
Yes, ma'am. June 1920.
Ma'am, I said 1920 only.
1920.
Ma'am, 1920 October.
21.
1920.
1921 में सेटअप हुई थी बेटा.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. अक्टूबर 1920 में जो है आपकी ये उद किसान सभा was set up. ठीक है. 1920.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके मैम.
अब आप हमें बताओ कि किस मूवमेंट की लॉन्चिंग हुई थी बाय सेंडिंग लेटर टू वायसराय आयरविन स्टेटिंग 11 डिमांड्स. किस मूवमेंट की स्टार्टिंग थी जब गांधी जी ने?
मैम सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट.
इट वाज सिविल.
मैम सीडीएम.
मैम सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट.
डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट.
वेरी गुड. इट वाज सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट. तो इसको जरा स्टार्ट कर दें बेटा. फाइन. Next. In which year Gandhiji went for the second round table conference? In which year Gandhiji went for the round table conference? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1929 in October.
हाँ?
Sense of collective belonging.
नहीं
Ma'am,
बेटा.
1929.
Second
Ma'am,
round.
1931.
Yes, very good, Agrim. This was Agrim, no?
In September 1931.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. It was in the year 1931.
31.
आ गया?
September
Ma'am.
1931.
Ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, now tell the dates, ma'am. We will tell what was happened.
What had happened? Okay, fine. चलो ऐसा कर लेते हैं. चलिए अब हम आपसे पूछते हैं, ये बताओ कि in which year this civil disobedience movement was relaunched?
Ma'am, 1932.
Very good. 1932. CDM relaunched, right? Fine. Next question is, can you tell me in which year the Pune Pact was signed and by whom? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in 1932.
Ma'am, in 1932.
Ma'am, in September 1932.
Okay.
September 1932 by Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes. By, it was between?
Ma'am, Dr. Baba Ram Sahib Ambedkar, B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi.
Between Gandhi ji and B.R. Ambedkar. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ये बताओ.
मैम.
यस बेटा.
मैम, भीमराव अंबेडकर एंड बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर आर सेम.
हाँ बेटा, बाबा साहब उनको प्यार से बुलाते हैं और भीमराव रामजी अंबेडकर नाम है उनका पूरा. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, ये बताइए, इन विच ईयर द डिप्रेस्ड क्लासेस एसोसिएशन वाज फॉर्म्ड? बाय whom? By whom the depressed classes association was formed?
Ma'am, by Dr. Ambedkar.
Dr. B.R.
Ma'am, by Dr. Ambedkar in 1930.
Okay, by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the year 1930. Very good. Very good. Just a second. Another question is, can you tell me who wrote Vande Mataram?
Ma'am, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Ma'am, Bankim Chandra
Chatterjee.
Ma'am, Bankim Chand Chatterjee.
बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय या चटर्जी दोनों एक ही बात है. ठीक है. चलिए. नेक्स्ट इज, आई थिंक इसमें से हमने बहुत सारी चीजें आपसे पूछ ली थी बेटा, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा, who collected ballads, nursery rhymes and myths and led the movement for folk revival in Bengal?
Ma'am, Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore. Very good.
मैम R.N. Tagore.
हाँ, R.N. Tagore भी एकदम सही आंसर है. वेरी गुड.
Ma'am,
यस बेटा.
ma'am, Avindranath Tagore and Rabindranath Tagore is same.
Abhinendranath नहीं, they are different बेटा. Rabindranath Tagore was a laureate. उनके वो लिटरेचर में भी थे, वो पोइट्री भी करते थे, ठीक है. और अवनींद्रनाथ टैगोर जो थे वो पेंटर थे, ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. हु रोट द बुक हिंद स्वराज?
Mahatma Gandhi. Ma'am,
महात्मा.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay. In which year can you tell? In which year can you tell?
1909.
Okay. 1909.
1909.
हाँ, 1909. ये बताइए कि who founded the Swaraj Party? Who founded the Swaraj Party?
Ma'am C.M. Motilal Nehru.
Nehru and Chitranjan
C.R. Das.
हाँ, Chitranjan Das, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, they formed the Swaraj Party. Can you tell me the two provisions of the Gandhi-Aravind Pact which was signed in 1931? Can you tell me the provisions of Gandhi-Aravind Pact that was signed in the year 1931 March? Class?
Ma'am released all.
Kavya?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know exact, but I think released all the political parties. Oh, political.
Listeners? Yes, this was
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What was another one?
Ma'am, removal of tax on salt.
नहीं, ये नहीं था. It was anybody else who would like to try?
Ma'am, remove political prisoners who were non-violent.
ठीक है, ये तो हो गया. To release the political prisoners who did not had charges of revolutionary activities, right?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा. और दूसरा जो
Gandhi
ये
ji ended
गांधी
civil
जी,
disobedience movement.
बेटा दूसरा ये था कि गांधी जी ने अग्री कर दिया था that he will participate in the second round table conference. ये दो मेन प्रोविजन थे, ठीक है. चलिए, आप हमें ये हमें बताओ कि सत्याग्रह की आइडियोलॉजी क्या है? What was the ideology of Satyagraha? Any one of you who think knows better? बताओ भाई. सत्याग्रह. आन्या.
Ma'am, to is the
Ma'am,
power of the meat of scratch of throat.
Ma'am, to fight injustice in through non-violence.
Method to fight
injustice through non-violence. What else?
Ma'am, to hold on to truth or to face.
Ma'am, Gandhi ji stressed on the principle of truth and non-violence in
Yes.
that mainly.
Very good. Very good. Then an important feature of civil disobedience movement was the large scale participation of women. Can you explain this point? Yes, class. Can you
repeat?
The question is that participation of an important feature of civil disobedience movement was the large scale participation of women. Can you explain this? Huh?
During the Salt March, thousands of women came out of their houses to listen the speech of Gandhiji.
हाँ, to listen to गांधी जी. ठीक है, ठीक है. और
Ma'am, in urban areas, these women were from high caste families, and in rural areas, they were from rich peasant households.
very good. In urban areas, these women were from high caste families, whereas in the rural areas, they came from the rich peasant households. Very good. Another point. बेटा कपिल पटेल, आप क्लास में हो कि क्लास के बाहर हो? कपिल, निखिल, can you give another point?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ, इसका कोई पॉइंट बताओ बच्चे. बताओ भाई बेटा. Shreya, you want to answer?
Ma'am, ma'am, women participated in protest marches and manufactured salt.
Very good. They picketed the foreign clothes and the liquor shops. Plus, they also participated in the protest marches and they also manufactured salt. Very good.
And what is liquor shops?
बेटा दारू की दुकानें, ठेका शराब की दुकानें जो होती है, देसी शराब जानती है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next is okay, what were the methods adopted by Indians during the non-cooperation movement? ये जो non-cooperation movement था, इसके लिए किन methods को adopt किया गया था? बताओ. How Gandhiji proposed this movement should unfold in stages. इसका क्या है आंसर बताओ. कैसे unfold करना था इसको stages में, non-cooperation को?
Ma'am, Indians should not cooperate British.
ठीक है. Second was how
British government जो services थी उनका boycott करना.
Very good.
Schools का, army.
Colleges and jobs.
Boycott the civil services, army, police, schools.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, boycotting these goods, foreign goods.
Very good.
To launch